Man, I wish I could get in. Most certainly can't, I'm sure. Well, good morning, far and awayers. This is coming to you from a far more typical Irish day here. This morning it's about 7:45, and as you can see, it's kind of cloudy and overcast. It's been raining a lot here in Ireland over the last week or so. May start again shortly, so if I'm going to be based here in Ireland, then I better get used to the idea of getting rained on every now and again. A couple of interesting destination spots here today that I'm hoping to get to, so come along, let's go for a ride. First stop of the day. Wow, this place looks cool. However, I've just seen a sign on the fence that says, "Beware of the bull." This is the ruins of the Kilteal Romanesque church. Probably dating back to the 1200s, I would say. Yeah, there's some other ruins over there on the far side that I might try to get over to. There's an old cemetery over here, also on this farmland. Alright, doesn't seem like it's going to be possible to get in to see the ruins up close. It's clearly on somebody's private farmland, so I don't want to tread on any toes or piss people off, so I'll just admire it from afar. You gotta watch out for these farms. There's at the exit, sometimes there's a bunch of, how should we say this politely, cow byproducts on the road surface. That's pretty slippery, especially when it's wet. Just found some other ruins here. Let me go check them out quickly. Man, I wish I could get in. Most certainly can't, I'm sure. Apparently this is only part of the original structure. It was maybe, looks like it was about 3 times the size in its original form. I'm sure there would be a beautiful view there, if you could see it. Ooh. Every turn-off I see, I'm sort of checking it out to see if it has potential. Usually there's a big metal gate, can't really get through. See, that's one of those fenced off forestry roads. Pretty much all seem to be like that. Wiping the water off my face shield here, it's really a lot of moisture in the air. All right, let's see what's down here. Nice. Yeah. What does this say? Okay, maybe that's as far as I go. I can see dirt bike tracks. Clearly somebody's got through here on a bike before. That is a really tight squeeze. Not sure I'd make it, but let me go see, because I can see satellite view, the map, that this road here goes a long way out into the forest, looks like. Just how to get past that gate. It's definitely locked. That one is probably doable, but I think I might leave it for a dry day. One of these days I'll get into these forest trails. Alright, far and awayers, thanks for coming along today. A little bit of history, a little bit of dirt, the potential for more. I'll definitely be back to this specific location soon. There's a couple of entry points there that I want to explore. So yeah, thanks again. If you like the video, go ahead, hit thumbs up, hit subscribe down below, and I will see you next time. Cheers.